Hey guys, Sid here from Kia of St. Catharines on 406 Ontario Street. And today I'm going to show you a little demo on how to connect your phone to your 2025 Kia K4. Come on in, jump in with me, let me show you how it's done. Alright guys, we are inside your 2025 Kia K4. This is the EX trim package, but it is the same for all your K4 models. First up, we're going to start up the vehicle. Push start ignition button is right here on the right side. Now, make sure we're at home. From your home screen on this beautiful infotainment center, we're going to swipe left, get into setup, go to device connections, and then you're going to add a new phone. Before we do that, I'm going to take my phone out, go into settings, I'm going to go into Bluetooth, my Bluetooth's up and up, running, add new device from here. And now you're going to see on your phone, you're going to pick the name that matches your vehicle. As on this is the K4. To make sure that passcode matches the one on your cell phone screen, we're going to hit pair and then allow it to sync in your phone, and there you go. Now on your phone, it will also give you an option to connect it to your Apple CarPlay or Android Auto, depending on the kind of device you have. And we're going to connect. And there you go. Your phone is connected. Now you can access things like your music from your phone, your contacts, call them, text them, all that's the fun stuff. And you're good to go on the road. Again, this was Sid from Kia of St. Catharines on 406 Ontario Street. If you're looking to get into a new 2025 Kia K4, come down and see me and my management team, and we'll be more than happy to assist you. Thank you, and have a great day.